Alright, welcome back, friends. I'm here with another video for you all. First things first is we need to clean our tools. Let's use a little alcohol. We don't want to spread any germs, viruses, funguses from plant to plant. Alright, very important. First step. Just wipe everything. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to take this fern. It's about 3 years old, and it is root bound. I'm going to cut it up if I can get it out of here. Let's see. This is a messy one too. I might have to, it's actually growing into these. Okay, there's one. Yeah, it's growing all through these hangers. Okay, there's one. Camera might be shaking a little bit. There's no spiders in here. I better not see no spider. Okay, here's two. I think that's good. A spider, maybe? I gotta take off the other one. Where is it? The other one's just grown in. This is grown all around it too, so it's gotta come off. You can see that. You know, it can't really do much damage, this plant. I mean, you water this. I have to water it basically daily. It just drains right through. There's no dirt in here anymore to hold the roots. We hold the water. Okay, look at that. It's a mess. I'll probably reuse this pot, and I might try to put some in this little pot. We'll see. So, look at that. It's just a mess. Now, this is going to scare some of y'all what I'm doing here, but it'll be alright. Some parts of it will probably die and some won't, but eventually it'll all come back. So I'm going to take my knife. I'm going to cut it. In half. Be careful with it. Shaking the camera again. Yikes. It's crazy. It's okay, don't worry about it. Gotta do something with it. I could put it in a big pot, but I don't have any that's big enough to hold this. And this is a sharp knife. It's a tough plant. See, look at that mess in there. There's not much. There's not really a lot of it's just dead. So it's only going to benefit this plant. So I can take this. Let me take one. See, actually I can put this in this pot right here. Just loosen the roots a little bit. Put it in here. Fill it up with dirt and it'll be fine. Clean all these dead things out. Get your cutters if you need to. Just start cutting all these little dead ones. You can take some time to clean it up and it'll look really well and healthy when you're done. But it's going to go through a transformation. See, I cut this one off. got some roots on it. This can actually go in a small pot, but if you had a couple of these, put them in a small pot together. But, and what I'm going to do is cut this. Just make it a little bit smaller. So actually, I could cut it one more time in here, divide it again, and make 2 more plants, which I might do. I might do that, put it back in here, or put it back just like this, and it's all going to fill out. But you still want to go through here and clean all this mess, get all these dead things out, because it just attracts bugs, and you don't want bugs and stuff in there. And it'll look better, and it'll give it more room for growth, for this new growth to come in. Because see how packed it is? Matter of fact, I'll cut this one again. It's right down the middle. Right, shaking the table. Try not to cut through my plastic here. A lot of this stuff that's hard to cut is these branches, these little stems, not branches. See, there's the center of the plant. There, cutting through it. Jeez. I'm gonna keep it real here. That's a mess. Okay. See all this stuff? This can come out. I might leave this part. It's got really nothing on it. Let's see. Cut it off. There. Took that one out. Now I can put this in a pot. Take all this off. Put this back in the basket. Like this. Now it's got tons of room. Give me some soil. I use the plant soil that's got food in it already, so I don't have to worry about feeding them, especially when I do things like this. When I cut them up, I want this plant to start eating quick. I need some more. I want it to start repairing itself fast. Just fill her up. You also need to, which I've already done, was you got to tease the roots a little bit, break them up, sort of unwind them. So they'll stop growing in a circle because of the pot. See, this is ugly, but watch, it'll start spreading and filling out. Probably in a couple months. These grow pretty quick. And now that it's got space in here, it should grow even faster than what it normally would if it stayed in there. So this is good. It's ugly. It's gonna be beautiful one day. Back the way it used to be. Well, I hope you got some value out of this video. Easy way to save a fern, make some ferns instead of letting it die. You're creating more and saving its life. Now what I'll do eventually is go through and finish picking all these leaves and stuff out and hang it back up. Okay, I think I'm done. Got a mess to clean up. But that's all you gotta do, basically. Simple as that. You might shock it a little bit, but it's gonna be okay. I'll put this with something. I'll probably put this in this big pot. And I need to find another pot for these. I was thinking this, but no, even if I cut the roots, that might work. Yeah, I'll probably put it in there. I can put that one in there. Just cut these roots off down here, maybe a couple inches. Put some fresh soil in the bottom so it can start feeding. Throw that one in there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me go ahead and clean up, and I'll talk to y'all next time.